Hello people, so we will be solving the daily question that is 3011. Find if array can be sorted, and we'll be given a zero indexed array of positive integer, and in one operation we can swap any two adjacent elements if they are the same number of set bits, and we are allowed to do this operation any number of times including zero, and we have to return true if we can sort the array, else we have to return false. Okay, for example, we are having numbers as 8, 4, 2, 30, 15. So let's look at the binary representation of every element. The binary representation of the numbers 2, 4 and 8 is like they all are having just one set bit, so these three can be sorted together. So let's say we sort this, then we'll be having 2, 4, 8, and the binary representation of 15 and 30 are having 4 set bits. So it's I guess 15 is having this triple 4 ones, and 30 is having 4 ones and the 1 0. So they both are having equal number of set bits, so these two can be sorted in, like, let's say a pair or something like that. So after like applying the given operation, what we can do is we can sort 2, 4, 8, and then we can sort 15 and 30. So after that our array will become sorted. Okay, and this is what we have to tell, that if it's possible that we can can sort the array or not. Okay, so for this, firstly what we'll be doing is we'll be having n that is equal to the length of the nums dot length, and then we'll be using that for int I equal to 0, or basically we'll just performing a bubble sort kind of a thing, I less than n I plus plus, and then for int j equal to 0, oh sorry, j equal to I plus 1, j less than n, then j plus plus, and then we'll be checking, we can obviously we have to sort if nums of j is less than nums of I. Then we'll be checking that if we'll be using the inbuilt function to found the bit count. So if integer dot bit count of nums of I is equal to the bit count of nums of is equal to integer dot bit count of nums of j, bit count nums j, then only we'll have to perform the operation. Will be update swapping the two variables basically. So let's have variable temp, so that is equal to nums of I, then we'll be setting nums of j is equal to nums of I, nums of I is equal to, finally, temp. I guess I made a mistake here. Nums of I should be equal to nums of j, and then nums of j should be equal to temp. Okay, else uh, what I'll have to is I'll have to return a false, because if nums is less than nums I and they are having like different uh, bit count, so it's not going to be possible, we have to return false. And then I'll just have to check that for the basically the condition that it is sorted or not. So for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n I plus plus, we'll be checking that if nums of I is less than nums of I minus 1. If that's true, I'll have to return hmm, false, else I'll be returning a true. And now let's give it a run. Index if nums of I is like, oh what, how can this give, oh, nums of I is less than nums of I minus 1. Oh, my bad. Now let's give it a run again, and it gets accepted when I submit it. And it works totally fine as well, and it gets accepted. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching.